Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. All right, so basically in this video we are just going to be diving into one of the most powerful tools to understand price behavior, and that is going to be the market profile indicator. All right, so let's just add the market profile indicator to the chart right now. Okay, you might find different market profile indicators, different variations of it, but let's just use this particular one. All right, so if you have been trading without it, you are navigating without a map. Let's just change that. Okay, what is market profile? You need to understand what this indicator does. You need to understand what this concept even mean to start with, right? The market profile indicator organizes price, time, and volume into a clean structure. So now basically, instead of just looking at candlesticks or bars, market profile shows you where the market spent the most time, right? Which tells you what prices we are accepted and what prices we are rejected. Okay, so it's not just about where price went, it's about where traders decided to stay, right? Now let's just quickly break it down, because you need to understand the components of this indicator for you to effectively use it, right? Now we need to understand that there are areas where we call value areas, the areas where we call points of control. There are high volume nodes and low volume nodes. Now the value area is the price range where 70% of the volume occurred. It represents the fair value zone of the session. All right, okay, let's just make another reference real quick. I want us to make another reference. Let's make another reference. Okay, this didn't load, because I want you to understand the concept of this. Okay, let's look at the settings of this. Okay, zones. No. Okay, let's just try out another market profile indicator. I want to make this easier for you. So let's know if there is a particular indicator that can give us additional information that you can see on your chart. Additional information that you can see on your chart. Okay. All right. So it means that you might actually have to identify your point of control and your value areas manually. Okay. I was just trying to see if, there is an indicator that can, make it easier to identify these areas. Okay, now, this indicator has actually done well. Yes, so there are a lot of indicators available here, so some of them might have limited information, others might have more information. So I want you to understand that the value area is the place where 70% of the volume occurred. You can see this particular indicator is showing us the previous value area, so it means that 70% of the volume occurred within that area. It represents the fair value zone of the session. And then we also have the point of control. Let's see if this, let's go to the indicator settings and see if there is something. This is the POC line color. Point of control. The POC represents point of control. Yeah, this one is the value line, value area color. This is the non-value area color. Okay, let's just Let's look at that is for this particular indicator. Okay, now let's look at this. Let's see, this is the color of the POC, the point of control, the previous value area, the value area low, and all of that, right? Okay, so now I needed you to see that also. So point of control is actually the price level with the highest traded volume. And as you can see, indicated by this particular market profile indicator, you can see the area that had the highest volume, right? The highest volume, the highest traded volume. So think of this as the market's anchor point. Now we have the high volume nodes, support and basically they are support and resistance zones where price tends to consolidate. And we also have the low volume nodes, rejection areas where price moves quickly through with little interaction. Okay, so each of these areas gives you context, what price levels matter and which ones the market does not care about. Okay, now market profile helps you spot balance versus imbalance. All right, basically a balanced market has a clean bell curve profile suggesting consolidation or indecision. Then an imbalanced market shows price moving away from value, often indicating a breakout or a new trend. So traders use this to prepare, trade inside the value area when balanced and look for continuation of fade setups when imbalanced. All right. So you should not chase price. Do not chase price. Use market profile to anticipate where price should go based on where it has been already. Now, some key tips for you: avoid trading in low volume areas unless you are playing a breakout. All right, it's important to take note of that. And also you can use your point of control, that is your POC, as a magnet in ranging markets. In ranging markets, price will often revisit your POC. So in a ranging market, you can use the POC as a point of magnet. Price will most likely revisit your point of control. Okay, so you can combine market profile with other tools like your VWAP or your price action to confirm entries. This is not a lagging tool, it's a structure reader, okay, showing you where the battle between buyers and sellers is actually happening. Now, the market profile indicator gives you the structure most traders are blind to. It shows you where value is, how the market behaves around it, and what zones to pay attention to. Tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you're ready to add this tool to your trading setup. Let us stop guessing and start understanding the market. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.